In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the footer in a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign into your Weebly account and open the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab, then scroll to the bottom of the page to find the footer section. Click inside the footer to begin editing. You can select any existing element such as text, images, links, or social icons and update it to match your website. To add new content, drag elements from the left panel into the footer. You can add text, images, buttons, social icons, contact information, or any other supported element. If you want to remove something, click the element and delete it. You can also customize the footer's colors, fonts, and other styling options through the theme settings to match the rest of your website. Preview your website to make sure the footer looks the way you want. When you're satisfied with the changes, publish your website to make them live. That's how to change the footer in a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.